Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your soldier in Call of Duty Mobile. Let's get started. What you need to do is tap your loadout and tap your soldier here. I'm using the default Charlie. So actually this is my second account. This is for fun only, my second account, like a reroll. So my character is so limit. So for example, I want to change the bag or I want to attach the bag, just feel free to tap the customize. So I'm only just have one backpack here. As you can see, this soldier got a backpack. Let's try another example. Let's Charlie tap customize. This one got a backpack. So this backpack you can get from events or you can buy in the store. And also not only backpack, you can go with helmet or you can attach the clothing that you can get from Clan War store. You have to join the Clan War first, or you can get the customized in the store. Tap the credit shop. This one, there are backpack here. This is for battle royale. Yeah, you can get a backpack from the events or from the store or for battle pass rewards. So feel free to try customize your soldier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.